up hangers for the Purlin.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's
Like I
freaking
said,
cool.
2 different roofs.
Yeah.
Those Purlins go over the top. These ones go inside.
Okay.
The hangers are in there. Just set the Purlins in.
So
New
what is that
toys.
thing again? Yeah, new toys. What is it?
It is called a palm. Palm, whatever.
Here, let me look at the box.
Palm.
Hand nailer.
Palm nail.
This is helpful because
This is usually use this for tough areas, mostly Tico nails.
and it
Doing
hooks.
hangers and stuff.
Okay, and
Tico nails are small, little 10 gauge. Ticos for nailing for hangers typically.
this hooks up to an air compressor.
Yep.
Excellent.
Yep. Hooks up to an air compressor.
Sweet.
Palm nailer. That's
Nice.
the word I was looking for. Palm nailer.
You always have to oil your equipment. I had no idea this was so.
Well, you don't have to, but it's hard on your equipment, right? It's
Yeah.
the only way to lubricate all the sliding parts.
Measuring what now? What do you do?
A layout for the Purlin for the hangers.
Okay.
Just pinch my finger. Time it so that I'm not putting my finger there when he's hammering.
about it.
Just these 10 days, we still have way too many, right? It's got to go all the way through, so there's got to be another box of these, I bet you.